Hi everyone, I'm Shiva, working as a software engineer, and I'm passionate about building real world AI systems. And I have experience in agentic frameworks, RAG systems, A2A, MCP protocol, and language observability, and somewhat responsible AI. And I'm going to start the agentic AI course. We have to learn the we are going to learn about the agentic AI frameworks like LangChain, LangGraph, and we are going to learn RAG agents. These concepts we are going to learn from this channel. And if you are really interested to know how the agentic AI works and interested in AI, then it is a right place to learn. You know that AI is everywhere today. AI is transforming industries, automating tasks, and even replacing some jobs. And like simply AI is evolving from simple tools to intelligent systems also. And now AI is moving from LLMs to the super intelligence. These are the stages of AI. And in this stages, we are going to learn about the stage one about the AI talks like LLMs, and stage two about the agentic AI, and stage three about the multi agents, and four about the general intelligence, and five about the super intelligence. And getting to the stage two, and the LLMs era is end, and we are now in the agentic AI era, where stage two it is called as, where the AI agents act, plan, and execute the task. We'll learn about the agentic AI first. Getting into the agentic AI, the AI system that automatically plan, make decisions, and take actions to achieve goals. Like it will break down the task and use the tools for the external searches, web search, and execute like a multi-step workflows. Like we have the some workflows like chain sequence model or the tree way like line graph method. So we can learn it. Let's start with the examples like search search the internet, analyze the data, write a report, send an email. I will explain the send an email. Well, coming to the send an email, have if you need a leave like sick leave, then you have to send a mail to manager. Then if you give a prompt to the agentic AI like send a mail to the manager because of I have sick and need sick leave, then it will send the mail to the directly to the manager. We will get it with this example like traditional AI. When you give the traditional AI like send the email to the my manager about my sick leave, then it won't makes that, but it gives the email template how can you send, but it won't send to the manager. But comes to the agentic AI, it's like it act like your personal assistant, and it can plan the like it can plan accordingly the sending mail, and it make the action and it completes the task. I'll simply explain this. Like when you have some, if you give the role to the agent, it will plan accordingly and execute the tasks accordingly and takes the actions accordingly and complete the tasks. Initiate the tasks and complete the tasks. It is all about the agentic AI. I think hope you understand well. Coming to the core features of agentic AI, it is autonomous. It operates independently and getting to the learning and adaptation. It's like based on the human feedback or other feedback, it will be learned and adapt. It improves the performance over the time and goal directed behavior. It's like every agent aim is to be achieve the goal. It is a goal oriented behavior, and agent is capable of decision making. It is the agent process life cycle, how the agents will work. I'm sure I will explain this with the example. Along with the example is trip planner agent, because of while going directly knowing if these concepts is bit boring, so we can go like that. And getting into the goals, we have to define the objectives. For example, if you these are the objectives like finding the flights, finding hotels, suggesting tourist places, calculating total budget. These are the like objectives we have to reach, and we can define those objectives in the goal. And getting into the plan, we can develop the strategies and tasks. Getting into the like these are the tools, these are the tasks we have to do. We have to go for the travel website and we have to search the travel. Is there flights or train or bus to travel to destination, and checking the hotel APIs for the hotel fares and the better hotel with the ratings and prices, comparing the prices, what which is good, which is low, which is high, and it is planned by that. And the getting to the actions is execute the actions, like it make the decisions or actions the same. Like it can based on the price it can book. If you give I need luxurious hotels, then it will take high price one. And location, if you want near, like if you went to the one beach related area, if you want location near to the beach, it may take that, it may choose that. And coming to rating, if you need good hotels, then based on the rating it will give the hotels also. Observation observation nothing but if the outcomes are output, what is generated by the agent. And it's like it is a output, full travel itinerary, it is a final plan. If you like not satisfy this plan, or else if you need if you want to add the places or remove some places due to the some various reasons, then you need to give that to the in the improvement stage. Like you have to give like the feedback. Based on feedback it refine the plan and it gives, and it again produces a full itinerary, like it's a looping way. And getting into the agentic AI learning part, it is a roadmap where we are going to learn the these concepts are I'm going to say in the playlist like in my course. And getting into the first level, it is a foundational level. I'm going to cover the Python fundamentals, Python for data science, fast API. And the second level is reasoning level, where we are going to learn about the Gen AI essentials. Here we are going to learn about the LLMs and somewhat model control parameters, those concepts. And then the prompting techniques, we are going to learn about the few prompting techniques like few shot, one shot, zero shot, chain of thought. And the lang chain is a framework where we are going to learn about the components of lang chain and some like tools, memory, conversational memory, document injection. These concepts are we are going to learn in the lang chain. And getting into the agent fundamentals, here we are going to build the first agent. And getting into the third level is all about the orchestration. In this level we are going to learn about the langgraph framework and custom workflows with langgraph. Here in the custom workflows we are going to learn about the like time travel, persistent, state management. These concepts are we are going to learn. And agentic AI core concepts, in this we are going to learn about the design patterns, life cycle of agentic AI, and the types of agents, and the light LLM. These concepts are going to learn in the level 3. And getting into the fourth level, we are going to learn about the agentic persona or persona engineering and agentic RAG and advanced agentic RAG techniques like RAG routers, query planner, CRAG, sequential RAG. These concepts are we are going to learn in the RAG, advanced RAG agents. And the last one is a human in the loop. These concepts I am going to cover in my channel, and it is a full-fledged AI course, agentic AI course. But I think all of you know about the fundamentals of Python, like Python basics. All of you have learned before. And the Python for data science, it contains a NumPy, pandas, matplotlib, seaborn, scikit-learn. These concepts are there. These modules are in the data science. So maybe you can learn it, or if you know, it's better. And getting into the foster API. After completing of these three levels, I will go for the foster API. When we are going to build a full-fledged web application, at that time I'm thinking to start the foster API. If you require before the these levels, let me know in the comment section. I will cover this. But probably it may or may not be covered in this course. But from the level 2, these all concepts will be covered. When coming to the reasoning level, we will start with the Gen AI essentials. And I'm planning to start the some real time projects also. If the response is so good, and I will share the real-time projects according to the each levels. Like if you are in reasoning level, while we are doing the agents, I will develop some real-time projects also. I will show those projects also along with this. And this is about the all about the course. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.